Hello everyone, I am Varun, working as an application engineer in Beacon Bangalore. Have you ever opened SolidWorks file in a computer without SolidWorks or any other CAD viewer tool? Or it is possible to open the file? Answer very yes, let me show you how. Sharing the CAD data from the eDrawing is the great way to collaborate, and with the new Web HTML output, eDrawing models can be shared in a new format that opens in any browser without need for extension or installation. With a single click of the model can be rotated in a 360-degree view, providing orthographic view capability. Model ambience can be controlled with the ambient occlusion, or model can be viewed in perspective as well. Just like in SolidWorks, the model can be viewed in a different orthographic as well as isometric view. Display settings of the model can be changed from shading with edges to the wireframe. Now coming to the treehouse, component treehouse can be viewed within the browser and selected assembly parts will be highlighted in a graphical area. The selected components can be hidden, showed, made it transparent, it can be isolated as well. We can able to control exploded view sequentially. We can generate section view for the model at the different section plane and dynamically move the section plane. Drawing file can be opened in a browser and each individual view can be controlled by hiding, showing and layer visibility can be controlled as well. Even assembly with the different configuration can be opened as well. We have seen how effectively we can able to open a SolidWorks file in a web browser. Same way we can able to open in cell phones as well. Thank you.